This is the WJTS News. In the news tonight, Indiana COVID-19 update, COVID-19 testing in Jasper, Ketchum Memorial Nursing Center in Odin reporting more deaths. Also, Kirk Uksa will be in with sports. All this and more coming up on WJTS TV News. Good evening. I'm Jenna Schaffer with the news. Indiana's COVID-19 numbers have been updated. As of Wednesday afternoon, the Indiana State Department of Health is reporting 1,264 deaths, 21,870 positive cases, and 120,469 individuals have been tested for the virus. Here are the numbers for our viewing area. DuBois with 30 cases, Pike with 2, Spencer with 9 cases and 1 death. Perry has 17 cases, Martin has 7, Davies with 52 cases and 15 deaths. Orange has 107 cases and 14 deaths. Knox with 20 cases, Crawford with 19, Posey has 14, Lawrence has 111 cases and 14 deaths. Gibson has 7 cases. Warwick has 110 cases and 18 deaths. Vanderburgh has 163 cases and 2 deaths. To see a map of cases by county, head to in.gov/ISDH. Memorial Hospital and Healthcare Center in Jasper has updated its COVID-19 dashboard. Now, as of Wednesday morning, 462 tests have been submitted. 388 negative results have been submitted, and 34 test results are pending, with 30 positive results in DuBois County. Now, please remember, a patient's address will determine what county reports the positive case, not the county where the test was administered. For more information, visit mhhcc.org. DuBois County leaders have announced a new campaign to help those who have been affected by COVID-19. Jasper Mayor Dean Vonderheide, Huntingburg Mayor Denny Spinner, Ferdinand Town Manager Chris James, as well as DuBois County Commissioner Chad Blessinger have come together to announce the Together We Thrive campaign. Announced yesterday, this initiative was created by the Reopen DuBois County Task Force to bring the DuBois County communities together and to keep customers safe. Resource packets are set to be sent out to local businesses to act as a starting point for businesses to reopen. These packets include outlines of what social distancing is, cleaning materials needed to sanitize, and more. Businesses are encouraged to place a window sticker at the entrance of their business to let customers know that they are safe. COVID-19 testing in Jasper begins today on Wednesday. The Indiana State Department of Health and OptumServe will have a COVID-19 testing site at the National Guard Armory in Jasper. Testing is by appointment only. So to set up an appointment visit lhi.care/COVID testing, or you can call 888-634-1123. Individuals must be symptomatic, be a close contact of a positive case, or a symptomatic resident of congregate living settings to be eligible for testing. Those wanting to register will self-report their symptoms using the online screening tool. If the individual qualifies, an option will appear to register for an appointment date and time. There is no charge for testing. However, if an individual has private health care insurance, they are asked to bring that to the testing site. Those tested can expect to get the results within 48 hours. Optum will send a text or email to the patient if the test is negative. A phone call will be given if there is a positive test result. Ketchum Memorial Nursing Center in Odin is reporting additional COVID-19 cases and deaths. As of Tuesday afternoon, 6 residents have tested positive and are quarantined at Ketchum. 7 residents have recovered. 1 resident is in the hospital, and 15 residents have died. 5 staff members have tested positive and are self-isolating. 2 staff members have recovered, and 8 staff members have recovered and returned to work. Ketchum Memorial Center will continue providing updates on a daily basis. With the 2020 Ferdinand Fest being canceled due to COVID-19, many are wondering, how will this affect vendors this year as well as next year's fest? Ferdinand Fest co-chair Neil Wire says that with Indiana Governor Eric Holcomb's orders to have festivals resume on the 4th of July, the decision on whether to continue with the festival or cancel it was out of their hands.
We thought this was the appropriate time to make the call and notify our food vendors and event organizers and whatnot to try and give them the most time to make sure that they had all their items ready to go, and if they needed to cancel anything, they could make that change quickly and not have to worry about getting stuck with anything.
Wire says that the Ferdinand Fest will continue in 2021, with it being moved to the Ferdinand Community Center to help prevent any weather-related headaches.
Like I said, last year the weather was a big issue, so the move to the Ferdinand Community Center is going to allow us that opportunity to continue with our fest, even if we do run into weather issues. Ultimately, we're still going to be outside for the most part, but if we do have rain or something in the forecast, we can move inside. It's just something we're excited about.
Wire added that he's ready for 2021, and he knows the people of Ferdinand are as well.
Very excited to get back. I know the last 2 years, this year and then last year with the weather, we haven't had much luck here, so we're looking forward to seeing the people out and about again. We do this to get people to our community and see what Ferdinand's all about, and we missed that the last couple of years here.
Events such as the Jeep Run, Team Ambassador Award, Golf Scramble, and annual raffle drawing are still going ahead as planned. For more information, you can contact Wire at 812-661-2711. A Martin County Sheriff's Office K-9 is getting a special donation. Martin County Sheriff's Office K-9 Spike will receive a bullet and stab protective vest from a nonprofit organization called Vested Interest in Canines Incorporated. The vest will be embroidered with the sentiment, honoring those who served and sacrificed, and delivery is expected within 8 to 10 weeks. Vested Interest in Canines Incorporated is a 501c3 charity located in East Taunton, Massachusetts, whose mission is to provide bullet and stab protective vests and other assistance to dogs of law enforcement and related agencies throughout the United States. For more information about Vested Interest in Canines, visit vicanines.org. The Indiana Department of Workforce Development is hosting a virtual event for displaced workers around the state. The virtual Indiana Reemployment and Benefits Orientation takes place tomorrow on Tuesday, May 7th from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time. Discussion topics include reemployment services, community resources, employee benefits, and unemployment insurance. DWD personnel, including its Trade Adjustment Assistance Team, along with the Indiana Department of Labor, will be presenting at the orientation. For more information and to learn how to register, visit calendar.in.gov. The state's rapid response team is activated when a significant layoff or plant closure occurs and pairs knowledgeable Work One staff with displaced employees to move them toward a plan for reemployment as soon as possible. The Indiana Family and Social Services Administration is reminding residents about a recently launched mental health resource. Since its launch 1 week ago, over 25,000 residents have visited BeWellIndiana.org. As part of the site's initiative, health experts are adding tools and resources that can help Hoosiers understand what they are feeling and connect them with various resources to help them through it. The site also offers several mental health assessments that are offered by Mental Health America. These quick snapshots of mental health can help the user decide if they could better manage their feelings or if they should seek additional support. For more information and to see what the resource has to offer, visit BeWellIndiana.org. Now we'll take a look at your weather forecast when we come back on 18 WJTS.